Number 5, we're going to look at the power of a product here. It is the same property, but now there's a variable in front. So notice that that distributing is going to happen twice. So we have 5 and x squared. So first of all, that 5 is going to receive the exponent of 2, and that x squared, we're going to multiply that by the exponent of 2. This now gets us 5 squared, which is 25, and then we have x to the 4th. Same process here for b. We are going to be distributing that -3 into each one of those terms. So the 2 is going to be raised to the -3rd power, and that x to the -2 is going to be multiplied to a -3. We can't really deal with 2 to the -3, so what we're going to do is make it into a positive exponent by bringing it down of the fraction symbol, becoming 2/3. Then we have x to the -2 times x to the -3, so that becomes a positive 6. And notice that was actually on top. Okay, 1/2 to the 3rd power becomes 8, and then we have an x to the 6 on top. So the final answer here would be x to the 6/8. C, same process here. That -2 is going to be distributed to both terms, the 2 and the 11x. So we have 2 and the 11x. Then the -2 is going to be distributed to that 2, and that -2 is going to be distributed to that 11. Again, we cannot work with the negative exponent, so we bring it down of the fraction symbol, becomes 1/2/2. And then that x on top was 11 times -2 becomes -22. And it's already on top. We have to bring it down because it has a negative exponent. So on top, we are left with a 1. On bottom, we have 2/2 times x to the positive 22 now, because we brought it down. Let's do some simplifying. 2/2 becomes 4, and we have x to the 22. So the final answer would be 1/4 x to the 22 power.